Today I'm taking you to a country you probably haven't thought much about, Bosnia and Herzegovina. I'm about to show you waterfalls, ancient cities, and national parks that look straight out of a movie. This isn't just a travel video, it's a challenge. Try not to add Bosnia to your bucket list after this. We'll see a centuries-old bridge, swim in crystal-clear pools, and hike through untouched forests. Get ready for jaw-dropping beauty, 7 locations, each more incredible than the last. Let's dive in. This is Bosnia's most breathtaking scenery, and you're seeing it right now. Our journey begins in the enchanting city of Mostar, a place where history, culture, and breathtaking scenery collide. Mostar is world famous for its legendary Stari Most, or Old Bridge, a true architectural marvel that has become a symbol of unity and resilience for the people of Bosnia and Herzegovina. This iconic bridge gracefully arches over the stunning turquoise waters of the Neretva River, connecting the two sides of the city for centuries. Its elegant stone structure has witnessed countless stories, from bustling medieval markets to moments of quiet reflection, and it continues to be the heart of Mostar's identity. As you wander through Mostar's old town, it feels like stepping back in time. The cobblestone streets wind between ancient stone buildings, each one telling its own story. Vibrant street cafes spill out onto the lanes, filled with the aroma of fresh coffee and the sound of laughter, creating a lively yet timeless atmosphere. But what truly sets Mostar apart is its daring tradition. Local divers leaping from the very top of Stari Most into the icy river below. This heart-stopping ritual has been passed down for generations, drawing crowds who watch in awe as these brave souls plunge into the water, celebrating both courage and community spirit. Every step across the bridge offers a new perspective. From its highest point, you're treated to a panoramic view that captures the essence of Mostar. Rugged mountains rising in the distance, the sparkling river winding through the city, and the vibrant life unfolding on both banks. It's a photographer's dream, with every angle offering a postcard-perfect shot. The story of Stari Most is one of resilience. During the war in the 1990s, the bridge was tragically destroyed, leaving a deep scar on the city. But the people of Mostar refused to let their symbol of unity be lost. Through painstaking effort, the bridge was rebuilt stone by stone, using traditional techniques and original materials. Today, it stands stronger than ever, a powerful reminder of hope, peace, and the enduring spirit of the city. Sitting at a riverside cafe, you can feel the weight of history all around you, yet there's an undeniable energy in the air. The gentle rush of the river, the laughter of friends, and the sight of the bridge create a magical blend of past and present. We took a moment to savor traditional Bosnian coffee, its rich flavor perfectly complementing the view of Stari Most. It's the kind of experience that makes you want to linger, soaking in the unique atmosphere and watching the world go by. What truly makes Mostar unforgettable, though, are its people. Proud of their heritage and eager to share their stories, the locals welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles. Their hospitality and resilience are as memorable as the city itself. If you ever find yourself in Bosnia, Mostar is an absolute must-see. It's a place where history, beauty, and spirit come together in a way that's impossible to forget. Every corner holds a new discovery, and every moment feels like a step through living history. And this is just the beginning of our adventure. Bosnia is filled with hidden gems and epic locations waiting to be explored. We've got 6 more incredible destinations ahead, each with its own story to tell. So, with memories of Mostar fresh in our minds, it's time to pack our bags and set off for the next chapter of our journey. The adventure continues. Let's see what awaits us next. Next up, Crovica Waterfalls, a true paradise tucked away in the heart of Bosnia. This place is a wonderland of cascading water and emerald pools, surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of nature. It's the kind of spot that feels almost too magical to be real. Imagine dozens of waterfalls all pouring into a massive natural amphitheater. The water tumbles down mossy cliffs, creating a mesmerizing curtain of white that sparkles in the sunlight. It's like stepping into a hidden world, untouched and wild. The water here is unbelievably clear, an inviting shade of emerald green. It's cool and refreshing, making it absolutely perfect for swimming, especially on a hot summer day. You can see all the way to the bottom, with smooth stones and tiny fish darting around your feet. We decided to rent a small boat and paddled right up to the base of the falls. The closer we got, the more we could feel the cool mist on our faces. It was exhilarating. We couldn't resist diving straight into the water, laughing as the spray from the falls rained down on us. Swimming here is like being in nature's own water park. Refreshing, wild, and completely unforgettable. The current gently pulls you along, and every splash feels like a burst of pure joy. It's an adventure and a retreat all at once. When you need a break, the grassy banks are perfect for relaxing. You can stretch out in the sun, have a picnic, or just watch the waterfalls while listening to the peaceful sounds of rushing water and birdsong. There's even a cozy cafe nearby where you can sip a cold drink and soak in the incredible view. It's the ideal spot to unwind and take in the beauty all around you. The scale of Kravica is truly mind-blowing. Over 100 meters wide and 25 meters high, surrounded by rolling hills and dense forests. From above, you can really appreciate just how vast and impressive this natural wonder is. What makes it even more special is how peaceful it feels. There aren't big crowds, so you can find your own quiet corner and feel like you've discovered a secret paradise just for yourself. If you love nature, adventure, and a bit of tranquility, Kravica Waterfalls is an absolute must-see. Whether you're swimming, hiking, or just exploring, there's something here for everyone. We left Kravica feeling completely recharged, our spirits lifted by the beauty and energy of this place. It was the perfect adventure, and we couldn't wait to see what wild destination awaited us next. Deep in Bosnia, we entered Suječka National Park, one of Europe's last ancient forests. The Perućica forest here has never been touched by humans. It's pure primeval wilderness. Hiking through, you're surrounded by towering trees, moss, and silence. The highlight, Skakavac Waterfall, hidden deep in the forest, thundering down over 70 meters. The park is also home to Bosnia's highest peak, Maglic, and dramatic mountain views everywhere you look. We visited the Valley of Heroes, marked by a striking monument commemorating W12 battles. Wildlife roams freely, bears, wolves, and more, reminding you how wild this place truly is. Suječka is for real adventurers, a place to disconnect and experience nature at its rawest. After the wild, we're off to find some peace and spirituality. Welcome to Blagaj, a village that feels like pure tranquility. Nestled in the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Blagaj is a hidden gem that seems untouched by time. As you arrive, the gentle hum of nature and the soft breeze instantly put your mind at ease. The landscape is a patchwork of lush greenery, winding rivers, and dramatic mountains, creating a sense of serenity that's hard to find elsewhere. The Blagaj Tekija monastery sits at the base of a towering cliff, right beside the source of the Buna River. Its white walls and wooden balconies seem to grow out of the rock itself, blending perfectly with the natural surroundings. The reflection of the monastery in the calm river water is almost like a painting, so still and perfect it hardly seems real. The water here is so clear you can see every stone on the riverbed, each one smoothed by centuries of gentle flow. The riverside is lined with wildflowers and soft moss, and the air is filled with the soothing sound of water moving over rocks. It's a magical setting that invites you to slow down and simply breathe. We took a small boat into the cave where the river begins, an experience that felt almost otherworldly. Inside, it's dark and cool, the air thick with the scent of fresh water and stone. The only sounds are the echoing rush of the river and the gentle splash of oars, creating a peaceful, meditative atmosphere. Inside the monastery, the atmosphere is peaceful and minimalist. The rooms are simple, with just a few cushions and carpets, inviting you to sit, reflect, and let your thoughts drift away. It's a place designed for contemplation, where silence feels sacred. Standing on the balcony, you're treated to a breathtaking view of the river winding through the cliffs. It's here that you truly feel the harmony between nature and human creation, as if the monastery and the landscape were always meant to exist together. We enjoyed a delicious meal of fresh trout at a riverside restaurant, the table set right beside the water. Ducks paddled by as we ate, and the gentle sound of the river provided the perfect background music. Every bite tasted better in such a peaceful setting, surrounded by nature's beauty. Blagaj isn't about adventure or adrenaline. It's about finding calm, reconnecting with yourself, and recharging your soul. Whether you're sitting quietly by the water or wandering through the village, you can't help but feel a deep sense of peace settle over you. Next, we're off to a town with a waterfall right in the middle of it, a place where nature and city life blend in the most unexpected way. Stay tuned for more hidden wonders of Bosnia. In Baščaršija, nature and history collide. There's a giant waterfall right in the heart of town. The Pliva waterfall crashes where two rivers meet, just below the old fortress. You can walk to a platform at the base and feel the spray, 22 meters of pure power. The old town is full of history, a fortress, ancient catacombs and charming streets. Just outside town, the Pliva lakes are dotted with fairy tale wooden watermills. Every corner of Baščaršija tells a story, but the constant roar of the waterfall is unforgettable. Imagine living with this natural wonder as your backyard. Baščaršija is a perfect blend of culture, history, and jaw-dropping scenery. 2 more stops to go. Next, we chase the sun and wine in the south. We've arrived in Trebinje, Bosnia's city of sun and wine. The old town is cozy, surrounded by stone walls and filled with relaxed energy. We strolled quiet squares, watched life under ancient plane trees, and admired the slow-moving Trebišnjica River. The Mostar Bridge, saved from a flood and rebuilt stone by stone, is a highlight. Climbing to the Hercegovačka Gračanica monastery, we got sweeping views of the city and mountains. Trebinje is also famous for its wine. We tasted local varieties in a centuries-old cellar. This city feels like a hidden gem, history, beauty, and no crowds. From mountains to Mediterranean vibes, Bosnia's diversity is stunning. One last stop, let's end with a bang in one of the country's most beautiful national parks. Our final destination, Una National Park, home to the clearest river I've ever seen. The Una River glows turquoise, every rock and fish visible beneath the surface. The main event, Strbački Buk, a series of roaring waterfalls over 24 meters high. Wooden walkways let you get close to the action. The power and spray are incredible. The park is a haven for rafting, kayaking, and peaceful moments by the water. We found a quiet spot to sit and just listen to the river. So pure, you could drink it. Milanchev Buk, another beautiful waterfall, adds to the park's magic. Una is a sanctuary of water, forest, and wildlife, a perfect summary of Bosnia's wild heart. Standing here, I'm grateful for every moment of this journey. That's a wrap on our Bosnian adventure. 7 unforgettable locations, each more stunning than the last. From Mostar's historic bridge to Una's wild rivers, Bosnia is a true hidden gem. If you ever get the chance, visit. You won't regret it. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Let me know in the comments where I should go next. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic adventures. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, safe travels.